Installation method of 2-wire Villa doorbell set. Positioning of the entrance machine base. Fix the base with screws. Find the 3 interfaces on the back of the main unit at the entrance and insert the 3 pre-embedded wires into the power, signal, and lock control interfaces on the back of the main unit. Do not connect them incorrectly. Insert the entrance machine host into the base and secure the upper buckle. Screw in the screws below the base to secure the host securely to the wall. Plug in and complete the installation of HTD2 door machine. Next, let us install the indoor unit. Indoor unit hanging board positioning and fix the hanging board with screws. Locate the power and signal interfaces on the back of the indoor unit host. Use 2 pre-embedded wires to insert them separately into power and signal interfaces on the back of the host. Do not connect them incorrectly. Hang the indoor unit host on the hanging board and fasten it securely to secure the host securely to the wall. Plug in power on and enter standby mode. Click anywhere on the screen to enter the main menu, and complete the installation of the TUYA TY75T indoor unit. Thank you very much and have a nice day.